Hello friends, and welcome to Adam's Farmhouse Kitchen. Today on our show we're going to be making a classic traditional Irish stew. We're first of all going to put a half a cup of olive oil into this large stock pot. And we're going to turn the heat on because we want it to get good and hot. We're going to sear the lamb first of all. And once your oil gets good and hot, you're going to put your lamb in, and we have about 1.5 pounds of chopped lamb here, and it is top quality. So this is, in order to make a traditional Irish stew, you really need lamb. And we're going to put that lid on for just a minute, and we're going to let that lamb get good and brown. All right, we're going to take a look at our lamb now. It's sort of browned a little bit. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add in some of our vegetables. And we have here 2 parsnips, a rutabaga, and 4 carrots that we've chopped up. And then what we're going to do, we probably ought to stir that around just a little bit. Let those get good and glazed and browned in the pan with that hot oil. And we're going to add in next 2 sweet onions. Give that a little stir there. And then we have about 2 quarts of beef stock we're going to add in next. The potatoes we will add 1/2 hour after this starts to cook on the stove. And then we'll let it simmer about another 30 minutes and the stew will be finished. So let's go ahead and we're going to add in this beef stock. And next we're going to add salt and pepper to taste. About a tablespoon each. This is a lot of stew. And then on the top, we're going to put this sprig of thyme right down into the pot so it can cook in there with it. You'll get all those wonderful flavors. I'm going to put the lid on this and let it cook for 30 minutes, bring it to boil and then a simmer, and then we'll add our potatoes. All right, so well, our Irish stew is all finished. Our potatoes are cooked perfectly, and just look at how delicious that is. What I like to do is remove the bouquet of thyme that we put in there. And then this is ready to be dished up and served in a bowl. It's a great hearty dish, really, for winter or any time of the year. So try this Irish stew. I know you're going to love it.